Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss ICSE Class 10 KISA preparatory paper for biology. So, first question from section A is MCQ. First is, a horticulturist wants to make an ornamental plant bushier. Which hormone can be applied to the plant to enhance lateral shoot growth? तो lateral shoot growth के लिए क्या चाहिए होगा? कौन से hormones चाहिए होंगे? Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinins or ethylene? And the correct answer is C. It is cytokinins. Second is the plant organelle that contains its own DNA. So, mitochondria and chloroplast. This is option number A, which is correct in this answer. Next is ultrafiltration in glomerulus is a process driven by high hydrostatic pressure. This is assertion. And reason is afferent arteriole has a wider diameter than efferent arteriole. मतलब जहां से enter हो रहा है वो wider है. So both A and R are true. This is option number A. Fourth is Pragya experiences vision problem due to insufficient blood flow to the retina, reducing nutrient supply to it. Which part of eye is impaired in this condition? किस पे इफेक्ट हुआ है? Optic nerve, cornea, sclera or choroid? So here correct option is D, which is choroid. In humans, gestation period is vital for the complete development of the fetus. The average gestation period in humans is 180, 190, 280 or 290 and correct option is C, which is 280 days. Which of the following is a non-biodegradable pollutant? Paper, we know it is biodegradable. Vegetable waste, animal remains are also biodegradable. So plastics are non-biodegradable. Option number B. Next assertion is imbibition is the phenomena responsible for the swelling of wooden doors during rainy season. And reason is imbibition involves absorption of water by hydrophobic substances like cellulose in the wood. So here assertion is true but reason is false because imbibition involves absorption of water by hydrophobic दिया hydrophilic होना चाहिए था. तो option number C is correct. In 8th, a liver breaks down old red blood cells and produces a substance known as it is glucagon, insulin, bilirubin और ग्लाइकोजन. तो आपको पता है लीवर में ब्रेक डाउन होकर आरबीसी जो होते हैं वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? इट इज बिलिरुबिन. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. In 9th, a lab technician notices that a patient's urine is darker than usual. The pigment likely to be responsible for this increase in color is melanin, hemoglobin, creatinine or urochrome. So option number D is correct, which is urochrome. Ritesh was performing an experiment on transpiration. He placed a strip of paper on the lower surface of a leaf which changed from blue to pink. The indicator of moisture that he used in the experiment was filter paper, blotting paper, litmus paper, cobalt chloride paper. तो transpiration के लिए cobalt chloride paper. Option number D is correct, which will turn from blue to pink. The term heterozygous refers to two identical alleles for a gene, two different alleles for a gene, a dominant allele or recessive allele, and option number B is correct. Two different alleles for a gene. This is heterozygous. Next assertion is adrenaline is released during stress to prepare the body for a fight or flight response. Reason is during stress, adrenaline decreases blood glucose level by stimulating the breakdown of glycogen in liver. So here R is true and assertion is true and reason is false. Option number C, because in the reason the statement says during stress adrenaline decreases blood glucose level. No, it increases blood glucose level by stimulating the breakdown of glycogen in liver. So reason is false, assertion is true. This is option number C. In 13th, arrange the following steps in the correct sequence as they occur during photosynthesis. किसके बाद क्या होता है? Photophosphorylation generates ATP. Second, a photon excites chlorophyll molecules in the photosystem. Photolysis of water occurs releasing hydrogen and hydroxyl ion. Glucose is synthesized during biosynthetic phase. So here, as you know, sequence first is statement number 2. 2, 3, 1 and 4. This is option number C. It means सबसे पहले photon excite होगा chlorophyll की presence में in the photosystem. Then next is 3 means photolysis of water occur होगा. Photolysis means photolysis मतलब break हो जाएगा. Releasing hydrogen and hydroxyl ion release हो जाएंगे. Then first is photophosphorylation जिससे ATP बनेगा. and last is glucose is synthesized during biosynthetic phase. So 2, 3, 1, 4 option number C is correct. In 14th, assertion is acid rain can damage buildings and monuments made of limestone and marble. Reason is the acids in acid rain react with calcium carbonate in limestone and marble, leading to the erosion of the monuments. So both assertion and reason are true. So option number A is correct. 15th, Ria sets up a Genox potometer to measure the rate of transpiration in a plant. She sets the plant under different conditions. What would be her observation? तो प्लांट ट्विग दिखाई है, जैसे आपको पता ही होता है पोटोमीटर के अंदर ग्रेजुएटेड ट्यूब है. तो द एयर बबल मूव्स क्विकली टुवर्ड द ट्विग व्हेन द apparatus इज प्लेस्ड इन ह्यूमिड कंडीशन. अगर ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा होगी तो बबल जल्दी जल्दी आगे मूव करेगा, ह्यूमिडिटी होगी तो कम होगा. Air bubble moves very quickly towards the twig when the apparatus is placed in complete darkness. अगर darkness होगी तो भी transpiration अच्छे से नहीं होगी. Third is the air bubble moves very quickly toward the twig when the apparatus is placed in bright light with a fan blowing air across the leaves. And C option is correct क्योंकि इस केस में transpiration सबसे maximum होगा और इसीलिए air bubble very quickly move करेगा. Now coming to question number 2, which is name the following. फर्स्ट इज द विटामिन नेसेसरी फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रोथ्रोम्बिन, जो ब्लड क्लॉटिंग में आता है. यहाँ पर कौन सा विटामिन यूज होता है? इट इज विटामिन के. बी इज पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट बिटवीन द होमोलाइगस क्रोमोसोम्स ड्यूरिंग द एक्सचेंज ऑफ जीन्स ड्यूरिंग मियोसिस. इट इज chiasma. That point of contact is chiasma. C is condition characterized by the development of male features in female caused by the overgrowth of adrenal cortex. It is adrenal virilism. D is metallic element present in the chlorophyll molecule that facilitates photosynthetic activities. It is magnesium. E is part of human ear that plays a key role in maintaining static balance. So static balance के लिए कौन सा ear part है? It is vestibule. Now in second part, read the information below the diagram and fill in the blanks. Representation of fertilization in human body. So fertilization in human is the process where male gamete fuses with the female gametes to form a single cell called zygote. Resulting zygote contains a complete set of 46 chromosomes, half of which comes from father and other half from mother. This process is essential for the sexual production as it combines genetic material from both the parent, giving rise to a genetically distinct individual. So here fill in the blanks क्या है? During fertilization, many sperm reach the eggs. तो पता है आपको बहुत सारे sperm आते हैं, but only one fuses with the egg. So the successful sperm releases an enzyme called hyaluronidase from its acrosome, जो उसका आगे का पार्ट है, acrosome, to dissolve the egg's outer layer, जिसकी वजह से egg की outer layer dissolve हो जाएगी. This process occurs in the, कहाँ पर होती है? Oviduct, यानी कि fallopian tube में होती है, of the female reproductive system. The resulting zygote undergoes repeated cell division to form a hollow ball of cells called blastocyst, which travels to the uterus and fixes itself into its lining during a process which is known as implantation. So first dash acrosome, second oviductal fallopian tube, third blastocyst, fourth uterus, and last is implantation. Coming to next part, third, arrange and rewrite each group in the correct order. Start from the underline. First is chromatin fiber, nucleosome, genes and DNA. So genes underline है, तो genes के बाद क्या होगा? Genes कहाँ है? DNA, DNA, nucleosome और nucleosome chromatin fiber. नेक्स्ट इज, अगर हम इसको आगे भी कंटिन्यू करना तो भी हम आगे कर सकते हैं, बट अभी क्योंकि यहाँ पर इतने ही है तो हम क्रोमेटिन फाइबर पे रोक देंगे. नेक्स्ट इज एंटीरियर वेना कावा, लिम्फ वेसल, राइट ऑरिकल, लिम्फ. तो लिम्फ से स्टार्ट करना है, तो लिम्फ कहाँ एंटर होगा? लिम्फ वेसल में. लिम्फ वेसल से एंटीरियर वेना कावा से राइट ऑरिकल. हाइपोथैलेमस, कॉर्टिजोन, एड्रिनल कॉर्टेक्स, एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. So starting from hypothalamus, it is anterior pituitary gland, then adrenal cortex, and then cortisone. Central nervous system, stimulus, effector, and motor neuron. So starting from stimulus, it is CNS, then motor neuron, and then effector. E is xylem of the leaf, substomatal space, water and stomata, starting from water. Water, xylem of the leaf, substomatal space, and then stomata. Fourth is, read the explanation given below and name the structure. Example is the largest gland in the human body that secretes bile. It is liver. So organ of hearing found within the cochlea that contains sensory cell. मतलब कोक्लिया का कौन सा पार्ट है इनर ईयर में जिसमें सेंसरी सेल्स हैं? इट इज ऑर्गन ऑफ कॉटाइल. B is openings in the leaf epidermis located at the margins of the leaves which are involved in the process of guttation. It is hydathodes. Extensions of outer epidermal cells of the root. It is root hair. Types of leukocytes characterized by a large kidney-shaped nucleus that plays a role in phagocytosis. It is monocytes. Hollow muscular organ in the pelvic region that temporarily stores urine before it is excreted from the body. तो कहाँ स्टोर होता है? इट इज यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. नेक्स्ट है ह्यूमन ब्रेन का क्रॉस सेक्शन दिया गया. मैच द स्ट्रक्चर्स मार्क्ड ए टू ई विद देयर करेक्ट फंक्शंस. तो फंक्शंस हैं और स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, उनको करेक्टली बस आपने करना है, मैच करवाना है. सो ए बी सी डी ई आप स्ट्रक्चर के पार्ट्स को अगर लिख लेंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. वैसे हम उसके आगे भी लिख सकते हैं, जैसे फंक्शंस के आगे लिख देते हैं. फंक्शंस हैं रिलीज पेन एंड प्रेशर इंपल्सेस टू सेरिब्रम. कौन बताता है कि बॉडी में पेन या प्रेशर है? तो थैलेमस इज द करेक्ट आंसर, पार्ट नंबर सी. कोऑर्डिनेट्स मस्कुलर एक्टिविटी एंड मेंटेन्स बॉडी बैलेंस. बॉडी का बैलेंस ब्रेन का कौन सा पार्ट में आता है? इट इज सेरिबेलम, मींस पार्ट नंबर डी. Controls involuntary activities. It is spinal cord. Involuntary spinal cord. It is E. Transfer information from one cerebral hemisphere to the other. It is corpus callosum, which is part number B. Seat of intelligence and willpower, which is cerebrum, largest part, option number A. Sixth part is carries impulses from one hemisphere of the cerebellum to the other. जो उन्होंने correctly example में दे दिया कि F के साथ मैच कर रहा है, और F क्या है? इट इज पोन्स. तो हम पोन्स अपनी नॉलेज के लिए तो पता होना चाहिए. जब सेरिबेलम का आएगा तो हमें पॉन लिखना है, सेरिब्रम का आएगा तो हमें कॉर्पस कैलोसम लिखना है. इनमें से एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आता ही आता है. With this, I conclude my today's video, ending section A of biology paper. So thanks for watching till the end. I want to tell you regarding my biology crash course also. If many of you are interested, only then I am going to take this crash course. Otherwise, I will leave this because time is already very less. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. और member बनने के लिए तो मैंने अब force करना ही नहीं है. Thank you.